Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte Motherboard driver. So first you can see this is officially website. You have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, after that this is search button, just to click it and then enter the model number of your motherboard B760M space power and then hit enter. Then click on product B760M power, click on, then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 11. So both installation process same. You can see this if you are using Windows 10, so you can see this video and install the driver. Same steps. So first you will take audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. I already downloaded. You can see this is 165. You just open it and then double click to open. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Then it is done and then close it. Chipset. So first install Intel serial driver and click to download. It will start completed. Just open and double click and yes, installing. And then close it. Intel NF installer and click to download and open it and double click and then yes. Now this is installing. It is closed, which is done. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. Click to download. Then just open. Double click to open. Then click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Then VGA driver, you can see this is download. So now you can see this is downloading. Then click on open. Then click to here open. So it is just after download. You can see this is, just open it and click on yes. Now this is extracting. You have to just double click, after that give the yes, click on yes. Now you can see this is VGA driver installing. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. And then restart your system.